Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. We did have a better start, but it reversed course. News out of the Black Sea area just had talked about a possible attack on a grain ship. That sparked some initial buying. Futures did get up to 10.21 before it turned right around and went all the way down to 10.02 and a quarter, finally settling at $10.06.5. Option open interest actually was up 6,900 on the call side and 3,900 on the put side. That's a big number to add to the total option open interest. That's really showing that there is a lot of participation out there. CVOL is at 19.3% with the oil at 30.2 and the meal at 25.3. Today corn was higher. Demand is still strong with a little help from ethanol. Plus there is a reduction from that old crop stock number, and I think that that's kind of giving the market a little bit of support. These futures got up to 413.5, and that's up 16.5 from yesterday's low. That's a solid surge, certainly to end the week here. Option open interest there added 6,600 calls. Looks like the next objective would be that 430 mark. I mean, we're just over $4, so I won't put the cart before the horse, but that's just something to keep an eye on. The CVOL today for corn is at 19.8%. Wheat now was up. That USDA did reduce the European production numbers, and that really gave the market a little bit of lift. Also, it was helped certainly by the worries out of the Black Sea region, and I think that really affects wheat more than anything right now. December futures were very close to hitting that number, that $6 objective. We got up to 598 3/4, and that's 20 1/4 higher really than our lows. Right now, option open interest added 3,500 calls and actually sold out 7,600 on the put side. So it's really starting to reverse and just adding a lot more calls than puts at this time. I think we're going to get a lot more option action over the next number of weeks. CVOL for wheat is at 27.8%. I think it's important to note that the volatilities in really all the grains has come down quite a bit, and basically because the trade has been relatively steady, even for corn and beans, it's been a little bit sideways.